everyone! Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here in the sunshine and shade, apparently. Ooh, here we go. I am on my way into Pickerton again. It is, what is it, like May, mid-May. And the Fraser is in full flood right now. It's way high. Most of the places that we pan on the Fraser, you just can't get into right now. But I want to come in today and see what Pickerton looks like underwater. I don't imagine I'll do much panning, though of course I brought my stuff with me. Because, hey, I'm here. I might as well see what's up above the waterline. Let's go see what it looks like. Hey, where did it go? I lost Pickerton. Pickerton's underwater. There's still some spots I can try though. These are be pretty high deposits if they're here. Now if you didn't, oh hey, silhouette. Here's the silhouette of Dan Hurd. If you didn't see my last two videos, I am on a whirlwind tour. That's good. There we go. I am on a whirlwind tour right now. 2 days out checking out many claims. I have two videos already of, you know, one of yesterday, one of the Fraser bedrock claim I have just upriver, and ooh, did I find some nice stuff. If you didn't see that, go back and watch it. Today I plan to check out Pickerton, then I'm going to go down to the Blue Chip mine to clear the memory cards of the trail cams, put new batteries in, that kind of stuff. And then off to 3 new claims on the Similkameen River. Again, Similkameen's going to be way too high to pan it properly. But I'm going to check them all out and see what they all look like. But today, to start with, let's see if we can find some gold way up high on Pickerton.
Wanna lose your mind here tonight. Take another drag.
So this is where I usually sit and pan. Well, actually, down 5 feet underwater right there is where I sit and pan, which is usually like 40 feet above the water line. Way over underneath that little white water there, that's usually where I drop off my gear. Down 10 feet from that. But I know there's gonna be gold up here. I found it up here before, so let's go see if we can find something. Well, an hour of panning at Pickerton did not pay off. Didn't find anything but, you know, little fly poops, microdots. Lots and lots of them, but no pickers. This will probably be the first time that Pickerton has skunked me on pickers. I always come away from here with at least one. But not today. But I got to enjoy the great outdoors. Sitting on the Fraser. Ooh, down there looks good. I'm gonna have to try that sometime. Not much of a video today from Pickerton, so let's move on to Blue Chip. And all I'm doing is stopping there, check my trail cams. Then off to the Similkameen. Yeah, a little bit of random potpourri of things today. Well, I made it into the parking spot at the Blue Chip mine. I see my signs are still all doing well. And good news! The best news so far today. It's the best news of this trip so far. Somebody, thank you whoever, has cleaned up most of the mess. Thank you. Thank you. I have no idea who it was. If it was sort of like, you know, officials that did it, or if it was just private people that came up and did it. Whoever cleaned up took most everything. There's still a lawnmower and a tire and an old stove. Looks like they had a burn pile and burned off lots of it, but they've taken most everything, cleaned it up. That is awesome. Thank you. Well, let's go check out the mine. See if the mine is as good looking as this clearing is. Now the only real reason I'm here today is to change the batteries and download the footage from the trail cams. But I happened to be in the area, thought good opportunity to stop by, see how things look. and get that footage. So, just a little walk in, little look-see, checking on the mine. Love spring. So I just realized I'm not very smart. I know some people would say they knew that all along. I got the trail cam. I got new batteries. I'm gonna download the footage and realize my laptop is back in the truck. So I have to take the camera back to the truck, download the footage, walk back to the mine, and put it back in place. This looks weird. All sorts of moss here. Looks to have been brought in or something and placed here. It just doesn't look natural. I should go back and see some old footage to see if this moss was here before. Because it just doesn't look... Looks like it's been ripped off of somewhere and just placed there. Bizarre. Look how green everything is. Ferns. Into the darkness. Since I'm here, might as well look around inside a little bit. Ooh, the water's fairly close to the top here. I could pump lots out of there if I want to start processing around here. I got plans for that water. There's the quartz. But another time, not today. Let's go deal with this camera and then get on to the, where am I going? The Similkameen. Whirlwind tour. Can't spend too much time at any one spot, so that's all I was here for today. At the blue chip. Moving on, moving on. Now before I run off to this Similkameen, one last big thank you to whoever helped clean up this mess. I'll take a couple things with me today to get rid of a few more items, and then hopefully over the summer when I'm up here working we can deal with the last little bit. Thank you. That's awesome. Anyhow, time to head to the Similkameen. So here I am at the first of my Similkameen claims I want to stop by. I was here a few weeks ago checking it out. The water was a lot lower. It's come up quite a bit on this spring runoff. We're just having a good look at it to see what it looks like with the water flowing. See what the far bar, that's where I would be mining over there, looks like when it's got lots of water going over it. And maybe I'll see if I can do a pan. Sure, why not? One pan, but I gotta get down to the lower claims before it gets dark out. And yes, you can drive right into this one. Really nice. Before I run off, one quick pan. Just have some river gravel just found up underneath a log there. Look how rounded rocks that stuff is. River run rocks, for sure. Let's see what this holds. Oops. Oh, that's cold water. Fraser was not nearly this cold. How'd those bigger rocks get in there? Must have missed with the scoop. Okay, as I said, I can only do this one. I gotta get down to the lower Similkameen before night falls. Anything? Oh, I see one little speck. Oh, sure, some little gold. Of course, this is Similkameen. There's always little gold in the Similkameen. Look at that. That's actually not that bad. I see 5 specks in there for, 30 seconds. Not even 30 seconds. 10 seconds worth of digging. Woohoo! Okay, that's it for the upper Similkameen, the Eastgate Similkameen claim. Now I got to go down to the lower Similkameen. This will be a lot better when the water's down. Well, here I am on the lower Similkameen at the claim. I think my claim is sort of that section down there. The river is so high. So high. Google Earth shows gravel bars out into the river along this edge. Right now all that's exposed is the riprap. Now on the other side, you can see the highways over there. On the other side, oh, that's good looking stuff. I could have panned that if I was on the other side today. But right here, I can't see me panning anything along this side until the water goes down. I'm gonna go see if maybe over by the corner there's some exposed gravels. Well, I was hoping I'd find something right there, but no, just all big cobbles. Ooh, maybe I see something. Well, I could probably get something from right there. Not enough to give it even a mediocre test. Gotta wait for the water to drop. And I think over there on that far side is where I should be working once the water drops. You can see there's gonna be a great big inside corner bar. See all that greenery out in the middle of the water? That'll all be exposed on a bar when the water drops. That's where you work. Chose the wrong side of the river to drive down. Oh well. I know this was a bit of a different video, going all over the place, so many different claims, but right now with this high water, all the creeks, can't do all the prospecting I would always like to do. So for now, I scout for the summer. I'm going to sign off here from the Similkameen River. You know what to do, all that, sharing, liking, commenting, all that kind of stuff. Make sure you do it. I'm not sure if it's a little too late for me to get to the Olala Hard Rock claim or not, so I might do another video from there. Otherwise, that's it for today. So, until the next one, bye.